ओके, हेलो एवरीबॉडी। ओके, हमने पहले जो मैंने आपको दिए थे कि 1 to 100. ओके, so how to write the 1 to 100 in words. Okay, now here are the some practices you have to do. आपको कुछ प्रैक्टिस करनी है। 3 THREE 3. Okay, now 11 17 34 39 85. These practice you have to do, then you will get understand. Okay, now after these practices, now look at here. Michael Dash 32 years old. Okay, so Michael Dash, it means that Michael is 32 years old. Now here is in the dash, here is given the verb. Okay, verb is missing. In these words, there are the verbs are missing, so you have to fill the missing verbs. Okay, now John Dash 15 years old. Okay, Madison Dash 27 years old. Jamie and Tanya Dash 30. Okay, now we Dash 45 years old. I am Dash 19 years old. These fill in the blanks you have to fill it. Okay, ये आपको fill करनी है ताकि step by step you will understand that how it will become. Okay.